Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tip tutorial. I'm Claudia Orengo from heartmade.es, and like every Tuesday, I'm here to share with you a very quick tip that you can start implementing now and design faster. So today I'm going to be talking about InDesign. InDesign, if you don't know it, it's an Adobe tool and it's specially designed to design books, planners, journals, magazines, anything that it's printed and turned into a book format that is perfect for InDesign. So the one thing that you will probably always need when designing books, magazines, journals, planners, whatever it is, it's to add pagination, to add page numbers. And I'm going to show you how you can super easily do this with InDesign. This has been there since the beginning of InDesign. I love using this feature, and even though it has recently Canva tried to imitate it, it's still not as powerful and robust. So I'm going to teach you how to add pagination super quickly and super easily within InDesign. Let me share with you my screen. Here we are with a new InDesign document, and all you need to do to create pagination numbers is to create a block of text. So I'm going to put it down here and go to Type, Insert Special Character, Markers, Current Page Number, or this shortcut. And here we have it. Now, if I duplicate this page, I'm now at page number 2 and it automatically says number 2. Let's duplicate this another time. We have number 3, number 4, and 5. And now let's say that in this page we have a text. And I just want to move page 5 because I know that page 5 needs to go, instead of page 5, it needs to be in page 2. So I can simply drag it. And now I have this text in page 2 and the number has changed. So whenever you rearrange your pages, the numbers will change accordingly. So this is that dynamic text. It's nothing that you need to edit. It will automatically change. And you can also add in the front and in the back symbols, or you can combine it with other text, but this text will keep adapting based on the position, and it will change the page number based on the position. All right, I hope you find this useful. Honestly, this is like a game changer. I have another tutorial, another thing that I use all the time for InDesign. I will soon create a tutorial for that. Keep an eye to it, and when it's published, I will link it to this one. But let me know, did you know about this feature? Do you plan to design journals, planners, books? Are you going to be using this feature? I hope you do. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next week. Bye.